Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and gathering adapters so you avoid dead ends. Because the M2 Air natively drives one external display, you need either a dual-head Thunderbolt dock or a DisplayLink USB adapter to add a second screen. Once you pick compatible cables, USB-C to display port, HDMI, or Thunderbolt, connect power to the dock first, then Mac. This prevents power negotiation issues. Make sure monitors are set to the correct input before moving on. Now install any required drivers and connect displays in a logical order to simplify detection. If you use DisplayLink, download and install the driver, then restart Mac. Once done, connect the primary monitor directly or through the dock, wait for Mac OS to detect it, then attach the second monitor to the dock or DisplayLink adapter. Make sure USB-C/Thunderbolt cables are fully seated. If using a dock, keep its firmware and the DisplayLink driver up to date, so the system finish by arranging and configuring screens so your workflow flows. Open system settings and drag monitor icons to match physical layout, then set the main display, choose resolutions, and adjust scaling for legibility. Once done, test video playback and window dragging to confirm both screens work smoothly. If things go wrong, try a quick power cycle. Disconnect adapters, reboot Mac, reconnect. If still failing, update Mac OS and the DisplayLink driver or swap cables to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.